Now I'm going to talk about percentile, quartiles, and decile, quantiles. So let me first explain what is the meaning of percentile. So for example, if this is our data, if we take median of this data, which is median is 50% of the data, means 50% on this side, 50% data on this side. That is called median. So median is the number that divides data, 50% data into one side, next 50% on other side. Means data has been divided in equal two parts using median. So this is median. Suppose same thing happened. I take only last 50, first 50%, and I take median of this. This part is called Q1 or quartile 1, or this is the indicator of 25. Means this 25% this data, 25% next this data. Same I take from here to here and I divide into two pieces. This is Q3, which is quartile 3. So Q1, this is called Q2 or median. This is Q3. This is minimum value. This is maximum value. And therefore, using these 5 numbers, you can see the data has been divided into 4 parts. So this is first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter. Means first 25% data is in this range, next 25% in this range, this next 25% in this range, and last 25% in this range. So this is called quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3. Interquartile range means middle 50% data. Where do we have middle 50% data? From this part to this part. This is the range. So Q3 minus Q1 is interquartile range, and that is known as IQR. So once you see this, this is dividing the data into 4 parts, that is called quartiles. Suppose we have this data and I divide into 10 equal pieces. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then this is first 10%, this is next 10%, and altogether this is called decile. And similarly, if I have the data and I divide into 100 pieces, that is called percentile. Percentile. So, or in this word, it is PRCNTILE. What is percentile? Means data has been divided into 100 equal pieces. 100, you have chopped the data into 100 equal pieces. This makes, our life very easy using Minitab to calculate all this. So I go under statistics, basic statistics, descriptive statistics. Okay, and you can clearly see this descriptive statistics can be performed on numerical variables. So here you can see, I'm just going to, for example, going to use fair in pound. And I have statistics, and I just click median, first quartile, third quartile, interquartile range, minimum value, where is the minimum, and maximum value. Okay. So now the same number you can see here, minimum. So I can make, this representation. So minimum is 0, maximum is 512, Where is the median? Median is 13.86. And quartile 1, Q1 is 7.9. Where is Q3? Q3 is 30.5. So we have this all 5 number representation. Interquartile range is 22.6, which is from here to here, which is 22.6. That is middle 50%. Now same, 5 number representation can be done using box plot. So I just go here, I just do this, and I check fair in pound, and I can do the levels and outliers, individual data mean. So I'm just putting none uh, and just do it. So let me clear this number. Now you can see this. If I do this on the, just put the cursor right here, you can see Q1 7.89, median is 13.86, Q3 is interquartile range is 22, 0, and this. So you can see this is very extreme value, which is 500 something that was coming. There's no, this is extremely, somebody bought this ticket, which is very high, unusual one, and that you can clearly see. So this is, and you can also put the levels here under graph and edit data region, location, so add data levels and use y value. So here edit outliers data. So lot of things you can do. Okay, so here you can see the 500, which which is clear here, but due to some reason, this, there are too many outliers, they are overlapping, we can't see, otherwise they are right here. If you can see clearly under age variables. So I'm going under graph. Under graph we have dot plot, box plot, and I'm just taking age and just do it. Here you can clearly see, the age is outlier symbol, and this you can clearly see under this 74. This you can put the median value, everything on this. So this is box plot, quartiles, and quartiles, and it can give you a lot of information if you have real data. So again, you can see under navigator, everything is right there.